How to activate your Suncorp Bank credit card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your Suncorp Bank credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first I'll open up a website by Suncorp Bank itself that basically gives you the instruction on how you can activate it. So here you can see, yes, you can activate your credit card in internet banking. So what this basically means is that you'll need to log in into the internet banking of Suncorp. So for this, you can open up the website for Suncorp, or what you can do is simply search for Suncorp Bank Internet Banking Login. So search this on another tab and simply open up this website. This will take you to the login page directly. There you can see both of these are login pages. So simply type in your customer ID here and then your password here. Then if you have a token code, you can type that in here as well and then tap on login. After you log in, what this says here is go to your accounts, go to your bank accounts, then go to your credit card services. Then select your card services and then activate your card by simply typing in the number for your card. After that, your card will get activated. So other than that, you can also contact the customer support of your Suncorp Bank to activate the card. And those are the ways you can do so. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.